So you're currently using our X-Ray tool and you'd like to unlock the Discover tab. This will allow you to make complex searches on content creators. It will allow you to view their audience data and export all of this information. To do so, simply head over to the Upgrade tab where you can choose that as an upgrade option. Should you want to unlock the Campaigns tab, you can also do this here. Unlocking the Campaigns tab will mean moving to our Manager Lite or our Manager Pro plan. The main difference between these two plans, both will allow you to create campaigns. Manager Lite will allow you to create a public campaign. This is a campaign where you advertise the campaign and let the influencers apply to you. The Manager Pro also allows you to do this, but on top of that allows you to make direct campaigns. This is where you headhunt the content creators that you want to use and contact them directly. Simply clicking on the button underneath the plan will allow you to upgrade immediately.